Hey guys, what's up? Arvin here. Now today, in this video, I am going to unbox the one of the cheapest USB webcam that you can purchase off the internet. And this is the Rapoo C280 USB webcam. I'll be doing some comparison as well, so that you can see if this USB webcam is a good buy. Okay, watch this video. Okay, so this is the audio video comparison between my go-to device, the everyday device that I use, my daily driver. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and this is what I use, or this is the device that I use to shoot all my videos, most if not all of my videos in this channel. And this device, or in this video, this one is being shot and using the Rapoo C280 USB device. So okay, so there you have it. So if you're planning to buy a USB webcam, by the way, let's say if you're really in a tight budget, I made a video on how you can use the camera of your mobile phone to act as a webcam. I'll leave a link in the description box so that you can use your webcam instead of buying a new USB webcam. But in this case, for this Rapoo C280, I believe this is a good buy. Aside from the fact that you can swivel around the camera on the position that you desire, there is a privacy cover, and the mount, the camera mount that you can use. Let's say if you don't want to stick it on top of the monitor, this is a good buy. Quality of the video, I'm not sure how to get the 2K out of this, but do more research perhaps on the next video. I'll see what I can do, if I can how to get the 2K as claimed here by the company, Rapoo company. But in my opinion, for the price, okay, if you want, I'll just leave the description where I bought this one. I'll leave the link in the description box. In my opinion, it's good. Okay, so there you have it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, and don't forget to set the thumbs up, right? That's the thumbs up, and share this video to your friends. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Okay, subscribe then pag may time. Wag puro noon. Okay, so see you in my next video.